And in this video, we are going to learn how to upload image in the Node.js using Cloudinary storage. We will already tested the API in Postman and the image was uploaded successfully to the Cloudinary. Here you can see we upload the image and the image was shown in the Cloudinary storage. Okay, let's go. Here you can see I am already created my server, and if you don't know how to create server, you go and watch my authentication video, and if you don't know how to write ES module code, and go to the package.json file and in the type section write module. Here you can see how it is written. Now we are installing some packages, Cloudinary for the cloud image storage and .env for the environment variable, and one is the Multer for the handling file uploads, and one is the Multer storage Cloudinary to connect Multer with Cloudinary. And wait just a second, and our package was installing. Here you can see our package was installed. In the dependency file you can see all the packages cloudinary.env, Multer and Multer storage Cloudinary. Now we are starting our server npx node mn app.jx. Server is running on port 5000. Here you can see. Now we are creating config folder. In the config folder we are creating one cloudinary.js file. In the file we are configure Cloudinary in our Node.js project so we can upload our image online. First we import Cloudinary. Cloudinary v2 means we are using version 2 of Cloudinary, as name is Cloudinary. Means we can use Cloudinary feature like image upload and delete. Next we import .env/config. This load our environment variable from the .env file. We use .env because secret key should never be written direct inside the code. Now we configure Cloudinary. This connect our application with the Cloudinary account. First we write cloud name. We store cloud name in the .env file. And what is cloud name? This is the unique name of your Cloudinary account. And the next is API key. API key also stored in the .env file. This works like an ID for your application. And last one is API secret. This is the private secret key. Cloudinary use it for authentication and never share this publicly. And last, finally, we export Cloudinary. Now we can use Cloudinary anywhere in the project. Now our Cloudinary.js file is complete. Now we have to go to create a next folder, that is middleware. In the middleware, we create one file, multer.js. In this file, we create image upload functionality using Multer and Cloudinary. First we import Multer. Import Multer from Multer. Multer is the middleware that helps express file uploads. Next we import Cloudinary storage. Import Cloudinary storage from Multer storage Cloudinary. This package connect Multer directly with Cloudinary. So uploaded file will go directly to the Cloudinary instead to local storage. And next is the Cloudinary. Cloudinary, we import Cloudinary.js from the config folder to use Cloudinary in this file, and also contain our Cloudinary connection. Now we create our storage configuration. Const storage equal to new Cloudinary storage. This tells Multer where uploaded file should be stored. And here we pass the Cloudinary connection. Cloudinary Cloudinary. Cloudinary comes from the config folder. Now uploaded are connected to our Cloudinary account. Next, in the params, we create a upload folder. Folder name is, we write folder name upload. Uploaded image will be stored inside this folder in Cloudinary. Means the upload folder name is upload. The upload folder will create your Cloudinary account. And allow format means user can upload only these types of image: JPG, PNG and JPEG. Now we create Multer middleware. Const upload equal to Multer. This middleware handle upload file automatically. We used Cloudinary storage. And we also set file size limit, means 5 into 1024 into 1024, means the sheet maximum uploaded size is 5 MB, means you only upload 5 MB size image. Finally, we export uploaded middleware, export default upload. Now we can use this upload middleware inside the routes. Before creating route, we have to create one controller folder. The purpose of the folder is store all the controller function and that handle the application logic. Now inside the controller folder, we create a new file called image upload controller.js. In this file, we are going to write the code responsible for the uploading image. Now, first we create an async function called upload image. Here we use async because file uploading is asynchronous operation. Now inside the try block, first we write the catch. In the catch block, we write return.response.status 500 and .json. JSON file we send message internal server error and success false. If anything error during the image upload, this code will be run. Now in the try block, we first check whether the user uploaded a file or not. If not, request.file comes from the middleware like Multer. If no file uploaded, then we return an error response: no file upload, means bad request, and success false. Tell the frontend the upload is failed. Now if the file exists, then we send success response, return response.status.json, success true, message image uploaded successfully, and request.file.path, give the location of upload image on the server or cloud storage. And you can see in the top we already write export const, means we can use anywhere in this controller. Now we have to use this controller in the route folder. Now after creating the controller folder, the next step is we have to create a route folder. In the route folder, we create upload route.js file, and in this route we define all the endpoint of our image upload controller. We import express from express, then we import upload image function for the controller folder. After then we import upload Multer help handle file upload in express application. Now we will create a route instance, const route equal to express router. Next we create a post route for uploading image. Let's understand this line carefully. /upload is the API endpoint. Upload.single image is Multer middleware that handle a single image file upload. Image should match field name coming from the frontend, and the upload image is the controller function that run after the image is uploaded. And finally we export router, export default router. This allows to use the route inside the main file app.js. Now in the app.js file we connect the routes with the application app.use/image user routes. /image is the base route. All the route inside the user route with a start image. In the top, we import user routes from the routes folder. Now we are getting error, Cloudinary is not defined. This error is happening because there is a spelling mistake in the code. You wrote post storage equal to new Cloudinary storage, but the correct class name is post storage equal to new Cloudinary storage. And you can see server is running on port 5000. Now go to the cloudinary.js file and copy these three keys and create .env file, and in the env file we write all the keys name like this. Now we have to copy the key value from the Cloudinary account. Now before using Cloudinary in our project, we need to connect our application with Cloudinary using API key. So first open your browser and search for Cloudinary. Then open the official website and log in your account. If your account is already, then you have to log in. If you're not, then register the account. You can see the Cloudinary dashboard page. In the Cloudinary dashboard page button, you can see the setting button. Click here and in the top click API's key and generate your API key. When you click generate API key, Cloudinary send you the verification code will be sent to be the same email address you used during the register. Open the email inbox and here you can see Cloudinary verification code. Copy this code and go to the Cloudinary dashboard and paste here and click approve. In the top here you can see your Cloudinary API key are generated. And copy the API key and go to the .env file and paste the after the equal sign. After copy the API key, we need to paste the API secret. Copy the API secret key and go to the .env file and paste the value after the equal sign in the API secret line. And final is the cloud name. Here you can go in the top and copy this text because this is our cloud name. When you copy this code, go to the .env file and paste the value of after the equal sign. Now our backend setup is complete and the next step is to test the image upload API using the Postman. So first open the Postman and click here the plus icon and create one folder named upload image. In the image upload folder, create one file named image and make it post method. Now enter the API URL localhost 5000 image/upload. After that, go to the body section, select from data. Now create a key named image. Make sure the key type is set to the file instead of text. Then click on select file and choose your any image for your computer. After selecting the image, click the send button. If everything is working correctly, you will receive a successful response like this: success true, image uploaded successfully, and you can also get one image URL. Now we have to see our image is uploaded successfully or not in the Cloudinary. So open the Cloudinary and go to the asset and click here in the folder section, and after clicking folder you can see one upload folder because we write the folder name upload, and you can see our image is uploaded. This means the image was uploaded successfully to the Cloudinary. And if you can also open the image URL in the browser to view the upload image instant in the browser. Here you can see